Alright, welcome into my video here. Quick question is, what are the best niches to start with? The answer is very simple. Evergreen content niches. If you think about it from the primary thought process of a human, psychologically, we want to look good, feel good, and we want to be the best that we can be. The three top niches of any item on the internet, any product, any business that is offered is health, wealth, and relationships. I go in depth in other videos on this channel about it, but let's face it, someone always wants to lose weight or look good. Someone always wants to have more money. In this case, in this industry, what I'm doing right now with this video, I'm teaching you how to make money through affiliate marketing. And of course, relationships. Someone is always having some kind of an issue with the relationship on this earth, whether it's with a spouse or with the children as a parent, whatever the case. So you make content in those three specific niches, and then you have sub niches that you can go even further in each one of those. But again, there's another video on this channel. Hey, I want to interrupt you real quick and let you know that there is a free ebook. It's called On My Way to Freedom. It's a checklist document. It's got 10 successful steps that have been proven to work in the industry for affiliate marketers by six-figure affiliate marketers. They're notes and emails all compiled together, what I have gathered in my journey. I'm giving it to you for free. Just go to my website. The information is at the end of this video. Thanks. Continue watching. So, what is the best? The answer to me, to you, is those three. Those are the best. And it's up to you what kind of content you want to make. I kept this short, but if you want, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. I usually put out videos at 7 a.m. on Fridays. I'm batch content creating right now for the rest of this month that you're watching this video, because I want to make sure that I get this out in time. My commitment to you is one video every single week. I've been doing this since October 2019. Alright, that's it for this video. On to the next question.